So Eastern Florida State College has an aviation maintenance program. It is a Part 147 FAA regulated school. It is about 21 months long. The classes go Monday through Thursday from 8:15 until 4:30 in the afternoon. At the completion of the entire program, you get your certificates to be able to test for your airframe and power plant license. The program through Eastern Florida State College costs just under $15,000 including tools. At all the competitors around here, you're looking at over $50,000 for the same exact program. So that's quite a bit of a discount to get the exact same school. People see A&P and all they think of is airplanes, but there's so much more to the A&P world. A power plant license lets you work on jet engines and things like that. So you could work for a jet engine dragster car company. You could work for NASA and their prototype and test labs. You could work for FPL working on their wind turbines. The airframe is going to be your building of the aircraft itself and fixing of the aircraft and bird strikes and all the stuff that goes along with what happens when the plane's flying through the air that could get damaged. Your airframe is going to teach you how to fix and repair that. We have people knocking down our door looking for A&P techs just from the Melbourne airport alone. I mean, you start spreading out, you have one of the largest airports in the United States over in Orlando International. You have Fort Pierce down south. I mean, you have so many airports around. If aviation is your end goal, there's plenty of opportunity to get into aviation. So there's people all over the U.S. that are in dire need of our students.